Howdy folks, and welcome to my first motovlog in English. This one goes out to all my international viewers, friends and people who want to come and visit Vienna, the capital of Austria. We are starting at the main attraction in Austria for tourists in the whole country, Castle Schönbrunn. You can see it there in the background. It's a Baroque castle with gardens and a zoo. Millions of people come here every year. Can get pretty crowded. And today is the 18th of November. And it's a pretty mild day. Maybe the sun might come out later. Temperature is good. 14 degrees centigrade. The Vienna Zoo next to the castle is the oldest zoo in the world, and the castle is huge. And the best way to get here is by subway. If you're not on a bus tour, take the subway line U4, the green line. And you can see the little green huts on the square. This is the Christmas market. Today would be a good day, not a lot of people, not a lot of buses too. Vienna is the second largest German-speaking city in the world after Berlin. Population is about 1.8 million, and of course it's rising. Oh, we are approaching the city center, and this is the Karlskirche, Charles Cathedral over there, and this is the Musikverein. Many people say Vienna is the music capital of the world, and in the Musikverein the New Year's concert is broadcasted around the world on every January 1st. The building in the background with the green roof is the Vienna Opera House. Both the Musikverein and the Opera House have very good acoustics. And if you get the chance and have the time, get tickets and watch or listen to a concert. Yeah, weather's really nice. The sun would be even nicer, but hey, it's the middle of November. Awesome. Since this is my first vlog in English, many viewers will be first-time viewers, and so you're probably not accustomed to my style of vlogging. I usually do not do any cuts. I just did this one to spare you the boring trip into the city center. We'll now cross the Ringstraße, which runs around the city center where the former city wall was. And again to the left, the opera. And there in the background, the Gothic church towers you can see is St. Stephen's Cathedral, Vienna's main cathedral. To the right, the famous Hotel Sacher, which was featured in many films, movies. And the building in front of us to the right with the statue, with the rider, is the Albertina, which is a big art gallery, and I was in there today, this morning, and went to the Dürer exhibition, Albrecht Dürer. I think it runs until January. Okay, they're building a new garage here. Let's see. Nope. Construction vehicles only. Nice bus driver. That's an electric bus. No, the fan went on, the engine fan. No, really not that cold today. Do you like it? Also in my vlogs I ride around and talk about things that come to my mind. Nothing is scripted, so there will be some ahs and ums, and sometimes I won't say anything. Let me take you there. Nice stores here. If you have the time and are not on a very short trip, take your time and walk the little streets. I want to show you St. Stephen's. There you can see it in the mirror. Uh-oh. Let me do one illegal move here. There it is. So this is our pedestrian zone. No motor vehicles allowed. Fellow rider, nice muffler. Yeah. We are now behind the famous Spanish riding school. These are actually the stables. Okay, make a left. Sometimes you can see the horses in the yard here, to the left, and to the right is Josefsplatz, St. Joseph's Square. And we are back at Albertina and the Opera House, and we'll take a quick trip on the Ringstraße and then to the Hofburg, where the Austrian president has his offices, and where currently the parliament is in a temporary building because the main parliament building is being reconstructed or is undergoing a reconstruction work. As you can see, most of the traffic is taxis. Don't take a car to Vienna. Don't do it. Public transport is very, very good. And the subway system brings you around town quickly. Let's see here. This is the Burggarten, very, very nice, behind the Hofburg, and we'll look at the front side of the Hofburg in a minute. In case you're wondering what motorcycle I have, it's a KTM 790 Adventure R. And the guy in front of us has a Yamaha MT-07. I like it with the yellow rims. To the right, Goethe, famous author, and his friend Schiller. So again, the Burggarten on the back side of the Hofburg. And the building with the scaffolding is the art museum. And across it, it looks the same, is the Museum of Nature. And in the square, in the center of the square is the Emperor Elisabeth, and also a Christmas market, which will open on Friday. Hoftor, former city gate of the city wall. The Hofburg, and the green old building is where the flags are. There are the offices of the president, and the black cubes are the temporary parliament buildings. The big building in the background with the tower is the City Hall of Vienna. The City Hall. Let me take you in here. I think it's taxis only, but whatever. This is the oldest part, Schweizer Tor. I will make a turn inside. That's the police. Okay. It's only for taxis. Yeah, nice. Ah, that's a nice view with the light. And to the right, where the big cranes are, this is the Parliament building. And I hope you got a good overview of some of the nice places, spots in Vienna. And if you liked it, give me a thumb up, please. You can also write down in the comments what you think about it. Do you want me to do more English vlogging? Do you want to see something special around Vienna? And write it down in the comments. I like the comments the best. I like talking, chatting with my viewers. Okay, so goodbye, thanks